Today I'm going to show you how to make chapatis. The first step is to make the dough. So what I have here is I have whole wheat flour, little bit of salt, and then of course oil. Afterwards you put some oil on that dough and water. So you put little bit of water every time and then make the dough. The dough should not be very watery or should not be very hard. So put little water at a time and then try to uh, put it together. Um, so Daddy's shooting the movie, the video. Can you focus on this so they will see how this is being made? And you are, as I said, put little bit of water, not too much, and then make the dough. Uh, your chapatis will come out good if the dough is good. And remember, the first thing you would do is make the dough and put it for half an hour so that when you try to make the chapatis, they will come out softer. So you can see that I'm using a little bit of a force to knead the dough. And I kept the wheat flour here in case if I need more, or if I put more water, then I need to have wheat flour in it. And of course salt is optional, you don't have to put the salt. I just put pinch of salt, but if you don't want to put any additional salt, that's fine too. Now while I'm making it, I realized that I have to put a little bit of wheat flour. The wheat flour is different based on the brand, because what we get in India is really the fresh wheat flour, so that's a good one. Now in the US you get different brands and some of them are good, like couple of those like Sujata, Atta is good, or you can try other wheat flours. You just have to try them and see which one you like. But it should say natural wheat flour, no added white flour. Now I'm in Romania, in Bucharest, and luckily I got this wheat flour in the supermarket, but that has a little, I feel that has a little bit of white flour added, which is called, we call maida, and that makes it a little bit rubbery. So but that's the way it is. So and it's called black wheat flour, so that's what I buy. So it's better than not having any flour. So now you can see that I'm going to knead this with my hand, especially my wrist. So you have to spend a little more time doing that. And you can see how this dough is. It's not too hard or it's not watery. So it should be, the consistency should be like this. And now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of oil in my hand, put it on the dough so that it will be softer. And you can put less oil if you want, not too much oil, but the oil helps this dough to be smoother and your chapatis will come out softer. So again I'm gonna knead this. The best atta or wheat flour, we call it as atta, or the Vatsapit in Marathi, was the best in Dubai. When we went there in December, the Indian store had the best wheat flour, and I ran out of it quickly because we eat chapati, sabji, we eat puris, or any kind of other dish, we need wheat flour, and then you run out of it quickly. So whatever I got here, I had just made the dough. You can see that it is soft, and this is the consistency of this. It's soft dough I made. Now I'm going to keep this. I'm going to put something on top of that, and then let me put this and keep it for half an hour. So that's our dough making procedure. Okay, one thing I wanted to mention is I took 2 cups of wheat flour. 2 cups of wheat flour, pinch of salt, and maybe 1 teaspoon of oil. And now I will make about 8 chapatis out of this. Those are the small chapatis. But about 6 to 8 chapatis you can make with this dough. So in the next video I can show you how to make chapatis.